What if you woke up one day and money no longer controlled your life? Imagine a world with no salaries, no price tags, no fear of losing everything. It sounds like a far-fetched dream, doesn't it? But what if I told you that for most of human history, we lived exactly like that? And even more surprisingly, what if history suggests we might be heading back in that direction? For tens of thousands of years, money simply didn't exist. Our ancestors survived and thrived through barter, trust, and tight-knit communities. Your value wasn't in your bank account. It was in your skills. Relationships were the real currency. If you could hunt, build a shelter, or heal the sick, you were wealthy in the ways that truly mattered. Communities supported each other because they had to. Survival was a team sport. Then, money was invented. At first, it was just a tool, a clever way to simplify trade. Instead of figuring out how many chickens a cow was worth, you could use a common medium of exchange like shells, salt, or eventually, coins. It made life more efficient, but over time, this simple tool evolved. It became more than just a convenience. It became a symbol of status, a source of conflict, and a means of control. Money became power. Fast forward to today, and a quiet revolution is underway, driven by technology. Think about it. Artificial intelligence can now write articles, create art, and analyze data faster than any human. Automation is steadily taking over jobs in factories, transportation, and even customer service. We're also shifting from owning things to accessing them. We stream movies instead of buying DVDs, use ride-sharing instead of owning a car, and access software on the cloud. The very idea of personal ownership is becoming less important. This technological shift is forcing us to ask some profound questions. Some countries are already experimenting with universal basic income, giving every citizen a regular payment, no strings attached. It's a safety net for a future where jobs might become scarce. Others are exploring completely digital economies, moving away from physical cash altogether. So, let's take this one step further. What happens when technology advances to a point where machines can provide for all our basic needs? Imagine a world where automated systems grow our food, 3D print our homes, drive us where we need to go, and provide advanced healthcare. If the essentials for survival are abundant and free, what is the purpose of money? Perhaps in a world like that, our definition of value would shift dramatically. It wouldn't be about how much you earn, but about what you contribute. Your worth might be measured by your creativity, your compassion, your ability to solve complex problems, or your dedication to improving the community. The focus of life could move from accumulating wealth to discovering a deeper sense of purpose. Of course, this idea brings up a lot of fears. How would we motivate people? How would we organize society? But maybe the real fear isn't about living in a world without money. Maybe the real fear is living in a world without meaning. Money, for all its flaws, gives many people a goal, a structure, a reason to get up in the morning. If we remove it, we need to find something powerful to replace it. So, I want you to really think about this. If you woke up tomorrow and money had disappeared from the face of the earth, who would you be? What would you do with your time? What would you contribute to the world? Do you think humans can ever truly live without money? Let me know your thoughts. Comment with a simple yes or nitrogen monoxide down below. And if this video made you think, please give it a like. It really helps the channel. For more stories that explore the future and challenge our present, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.